I was just sent this 80-piece kitchen playset for little kids to play with and use their imagination. My kids love playing pretend, so I'm really excited about this. Once I get it out, we're going to take it out there for them and let them play for a little while. So inside the box, you get all sorts of different items. You've got little pans that's got lids. You have your utensils. You've got a pizza cutter, some spoons. We've got plates. We've got a little tablecloth. That is super cute. I love this thing. We've got different foods with fruits and vegetables in there with forks and spoons. Different containers to hold things in. It has a picnic basket. We've got pizza. This is all plastic. So we can't just wash it off whenever they get it dirty or just using it in general. You can just wash it off like any other item, just with soap and water. We've got some other containers. We've got pots and pans. There's so much stuff in here. Like I said, there's 80 pieces in here that you can use things with. Looks like we've got a little pretend cutting board, some plates, and then the last big thing in here is a little basket that collapses out, and they've got a little picnic basket, or you could use it as a little grocery basket or however their imagination sees fit. So let's take it out and we will play with the kids. You can see it in action. So some of these little items, they come apart, and then you've got like your little egg on the inside. It's just connected in with little Velcro, and you put the shell back on.
I wouldn't.
Got your cupcake that the little icing comes off of. You get little potato chips. This is such a cute little set. You get a rolling pizza cutter, so you can cut your pizza with a cutter. You've got your little storage containers, and they've got letters on the bottom and on the top, so you can put that together, and it all fits in.
Lovely.
We've all got little pieces that come off here.
Oh,
You got
shell.
your little fruit here.
Gotta take off the shell.
Got a banana that the peels all come off the banana, and then you can eat the little bites of banana.
Yeah. Take off the
Okay, well this should keep them occupied for quite a while.